Hello and welcome students. In my next part of the video, next part of the nutrition in animals. Today we will discuss about nutrition in humans. So nutrition in humans also follows the 5 steps. As we have earlier learnt: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The digestive system in humans consists of several organs like mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. These organs form alimentary canal, means tube-like structure that starts from mouth and ends with anus, is known as alimentary canal. It is also known as digestive tract, and there are some associated glands that secrete digestive juices into alimentary canal to digest food, that are following: salivary glands, liver and pancreas. They secrete digestive juice that helps to break down food into simpler substances. Here you can see the human digestive system, the diagram. Here you can see the digestive tract or alimentary canal that starts from mouth. This is mouth, and after mouth, inside this is a buccal cavity. After that, these are salivary glands. This is pipe-like structure is known as esophagus or food pipe. After that, you can see this food pipe is joined with the stomach. This bag-like structure is known as stomach. And here you can see stomach is joined with these very fine tube-like structure, and this is coiled. That means it is so long. This coiled structure is known as small intestine, and this some broader part of the alimentary canal is known as large intestine. This large intestine joined with rectum, and this ends with the anus. So you can see alimentary canal, it starts from the mouth and ends with the anus. And we have discussed about there are 3 glands associated with the digestive system. So you can see here, first gland is here in the mouth, salivary glands. They also secrete digestive juice. After that, you can see this is liver. This reddish part is known as liver. It is the largest gland in our body and its weight is about 1.5 kg. This is liver. This also secrete different digestive juices to digest food, and digestive juices that are secrete from the liver are stored in this organ. This is known as gallbladder, and it poured in the small intestine when they are needed. And this yellow leaf-like structure you can see here, this is pancreas. So these are 3 glands that secrete digestive juices: pancreas, liver and salivary glands. So when we take something, we eat something, first comes in buccal cavity. Here salivary glands secreted digestive juices. So we can say that digestion starts from mouth. After that, swallowed food comes in the food pipe, and there is a wave-like motion is found in whole alimentary canal that helped to pass food from one organ to another. That is, this movement is known as peristalsis. So food passes from buccal cavity to esophagus. After that, it comes into the stomach. Here digestive juices are secreted. HCl is secreted in the stomach to kill the germs that are coming with the food. After that, food passes to the small intestine. Here, some other digestive juices that are stored in gallbladder also poured to digest food. In the small intestine, food break down into simpler substances with the help of digestive juices and get absorbed. Nutrients that are released from the digested food get absorbed by the walls of the small intestine. And undigested food, some water and minerals are released to the large intestine, and here extra water from the undigested food is absorbed by the walls of the large intestine, and solid waste, now left solid waste is stored in the rectum, and after some time it is released out from the body through anus. That is known as excretion. Thanks for watching. We will meet in next video with working of different parts of digestive system.